Good morning, class. Chapter articles in our live class already we have started. So in that chapter, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the articles, the main articles we have discussed A and the. I have said already that these are known as indefinite articles and this is known as definite article. So we have discussed these things and with the examples also we have discussed why A and N are indefinite and the is definite. Okay, and related with that two exercises we have discussed and I said one to do at home. Now you see that the article the and A and both we have discussed, definite and indefinite. Where to use, how to use, that also we have discussed. Where to use A and N? A, as I said, we can use in front of a word which starts with consonant. And where we can use a word which starts with vowel. I already said that exceptions are already there. But if a consonant sounds like a vowel, we have to use their N, or a consonant which is, or a vowel which cannot pronounce like a vowel or pronounce like a consonant, then we have to use N. Like two examples I have given. We are using an hour or a unicorn. Okay, why? Because the word hour, which consists of the letter H, is not pronounced as hour, it is pronounced as hour, which is a vowel sound. So we have to use in front of hour and. A unicorn here, though it is a vowel, but it's not pronounced like a vowel, it's pronounced like a consonant. So we are using it as A. So these are the exceptions also we have discussed. Now let us see the exercise B and C, that how or where to put which kind of article. First one, you see here what we have to do, we have to make a cake by using the articles here. Very funny to hear this, but it is like that only. Ingredients are already given here. We have to just fill up the blank places with the articles. Okay, articles means we know A and the. Okay, so first one, what we'll write? Preheat an oven. So what we'll do first, an oven will preheat, then we'll separate the whites and the yolks of the eggs. Why the here? Because already it has mentioned 6 eggs. As I said, particularized, specified things which is already mentioned before. There we have to use the. So as eggs are already mentioned, here we will put the. So separate the whites and the yolks of the eggs. Okay, keep an egg whites aside in a bowl. So here bowl is not mentioned, so we'll just write here A. Before it is not mentioned. So keep an egg whites aside in a bowl. Take a medium sized bowl. Again, take a whisk and beat the yolks, because eggs yolks before we have mentioned. So take a whisk and beat the yolks until they become thick and lemon colored. Add the sugar gradually. Now see, sugar mentioned, 1 cup sugar already mentioned. So we'll write here the. Add the sugar gradually using the dry spoon. Using a dry spoon. Spoon is not mentioned before. So we'll write here a dry spoon. Then add the lemon juice and rinse. In another bowl, beat an egg whites. Again an egg whites you have to beat, and then till the foam stiff peaks. Slowly add a shifted flour and a stiffly beaten egg whites to the yolks, sugar and lemon green mix. Already the mixture. Bake in an ungreased pan in a moderate heat. Ungreased pan we have to bake. Bake until the cake is puffed. So that is only what we have used here, the, because that things already mentioned in the ingredients parts, you can see. So on that part we have used the, as it is definite. On the other part we have used according to the vowel or consonant sounds as A and E. Clear? So like this we have done. Now let us see the next passage what is given here. Here a passage is given where the family's vacation is going, and we have to use articles here. We have just come back from an enjoyable trip to Nainital. The hill station is a famous tourist destination. The beautiful scenery and the pleasant weather make it a perfect choice for an excursion. We experienced an aerial view of this lovely place from the ropeway. The Naini Lake, surrounded by the mountains, makes the place no less than a paradise. So it's a very nice description about the place Nainital, how it and how enjoyable tourism for that. Okay, so this is only the exercise. You try to read or complete this one in your exercise copy. Clear? This both you will write in the copy. Okay, so just write down and revise this chapter. Thank you, class.